Good morning, Earthlings in New Zealand. It's me again, your simple map boy na pangdiinan dito sa New Zealand. DJ Edward from the block. Ako nga pala yung promotor ng custom-made car plate frame dito sa Long White Cloud Country. Respect the hustle all day, cuz. What's up, G? From above. I hope everyone's doing well across the world despite of the conflict dispute between the two countries in the Middle East. Sana magbeso-beso na kayo. Make love and not war. Pag-ibig at kapayapaan para sa lahat. Yeah! Anyway, big shoutout nga pala sa nag-avail ng pangdiin ng produkto ko, si Brother Jetro and his family. Pinusuan na ng loving wife ni Kuya Jetro. Salamat po at mabuhay kayo ng 500 years. Here's my bestseller design na two-tone color design. Ang bagsek, di ba? Parang si Mr. Rolex lang. Aray ko po! Guys, alam nyo na kung ano ang dapat gawin. Kung saan ang may pera, yun lang ang daan. Ang wallet nyo, lagi nyong lamanan. You know what it is, G? Respect the hustle all day. Rekta lang sa mga gustong mag-avail ng custom-made car plate frame. Bagabang! Peace out! Please kindly like, share, and follow, guys.